वक्त नाजुक है, सोचती हूँ कुछ मदद कर सकूँ, इस अंधेरे में कुछ बूंद रोशनी की दे सकूँ। Lighting diya has many significances. To my understanding, I take it as burning evil inside us and lighting our surrounding with positivity. With that note, hit presents hack idea trick to make oil diffuser or lamp at home. Take any paper bag, a glass bottle with metal cap. Please do not take plastic bottles. Color of your choice to paint glass, varnish, paint brush or knife, scissors, sellotape, Swiss knife, cotton thick thread, cup of water, tissue or waste cloth, and some pieces of toothpicks. Make hole on the cap with the help of scissor or Swiss knife, but be very careful. Take out the inner layer of cushion out, keep it aside. Now take glass bottle. Before painting, take 2 strips of sellotape to stick on bottle before painting. Stick them to 2 sides of your bottle. This will help you to measure or see the level of oil inside the bottle. Now your bottle is ready to be painted. Take any particular color you want and paint first coat and let it dry for some time. Carefully try to paint the top part of bottle. Now take the bottle cap and paint it very carefully. Once the first coat is done, let it also dry. Now it's time to apply second coat in your bottle. Try the same method once again and paint it across completely, and again let it dry. As I like doing abstract paint, I'll take help of my paint knife and I'll try to make texture. Once I have successfully applied texture, with the help of toothpick, I'll try to remove the paint from bottle by giving them a shape of leaves. This is going to take me several hours, but I love doing this and it gives me inner peace. I really love how this is turning out to be. This is going to complete soon. Once it's complete, I have to let it dry once again. Now that it is dry, I'll carefully remove the sellotapes from both the sides. Be very careful while peeling them out because colors may come out. Now it's time to varnish the bottle from top to bottom. Varnishing will give a tint of shine to complete look of your bottle. Make sure to varnish cap as well. Let's make it ready to lighten it up. For lightening, put the cotton string in cap of bottle. Take help of pointed thing to take it out from the another side. It's time to fill up the bottle with oil. Make sure to fill it up completely. Take help of non-painted area to see level of oil. Add essential oil of your choice. If your bottle is big, you would need little bit more essential oil as compared to smaller bottle. Put cotton thread completely into this bottle with oil and let it soak completely into the oil. Gradually you will see it will start fetching oils by itself. If not, you can just shake it for some time and it will be up soon. Now my lamp is ready and it's time to light it up. Let's go ahead and spread the light. I hope I was able to give some light of hope to all of you. Thank you so much for being part of this family. I wish everyone stays safe and enjoy with their loved ones. Take care guys. I'll be back with something new next week on your same channel, Hack Idea Trick, आपका खुद का चैनल हिट।